Learn about families with Les Puces. As with all of our courses, your pack is sent to you in the post, wherever you are in the world. Inside, you will find the My Family bilingual book, 10 worksheets, a progress card and stickers, and everything you need to make your own tree of love. That's only half of it. You also have access to the members only area of our website. Inside the portal, you have a choice of videos to watch. Let's start with a story, which you can hear in English and in French.
Les gens viennent de partout dans le monde. Ils peuvent avoir la peau et les cheveux de différentes couleurs. Parler des langues différentes. At the end of the lesson, the children agree that families can be very different, but they are all very precious.
There's lots to see and do while we guide you through completing the worksheets.
L'herbe est verte. Bon pique-nique. En bas. En bas. Qui est-ce? C'est la tante.
We help you create your own tree of love and, of course, learn our beautiful song with actions.
Ma sœur, mon frère, maman et ma mère, papa et mon père.
We also offer Zoom classes, either privately or in a group. Group classes are full maximum. Sorry. Sign up on the website or contact us to see when is the best option for your puce.